Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing on 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. An espresso brown ginger beige MB-Tex interior with a brown eucalyptus wood trim. Sunroof. Trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with a blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, parking assistance package with surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 39,212 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.